Hello everyone, welcome back to L2C. In our previous video, we explored how to execute a Java program. Today, we're taking it a step further by delving into a Java compilation process and the crucial role of public static void main. Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you run a Java program? In this video, we'll break down the steps involved in compiling your Java code and how it transforms into an executable format. We'll also clarify the significance of the main method, the entry point of any Java application. By the end of this video, you will have a clear grasp of how your code is processed and why the main method is essential for running your application. Let's get started. To understand how a Java build program is converted into bytecode and machine code, let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1 is Java source code, the program that we wrote in a .java file. In our case, it's hello.java. Step 2 is compilation process. The Java compiler takes our .java file and compiles it into the bytecode. Once your compilation process is successful, you will be able to see the .class file in the same directory. This .class file containing bytecode, which is platform independent. This is how the bytecode looks like. Step 3 with JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The JVM interprets or compiles the bytes code into machine code specific to the operating system. The JVM can compile and execute the Java code primarily in two ways. One is interpretation and the second one is just in time, which known as JIT. Interpretation execute the bytecode directly, allowing for portability but generally slower performance. The JIT compiler compiles bytecode into native machine code at the runtime, converting frequently executed part of the program into optimized machine code. Step 4 the execution process. Finally, the operating system executes the machine code and displayed the result. These all are the basic of the compilation process. Now we are going to check the role of public static void main in a Java program. The main method is an important part of Java program. Here let me break down each component. First one is public. This is an access modifier that means the method can be called from anywhere. It's necessary for the JVM to access this method when starting the program. Second one is static. This keyword means that the method belongs to the class itself rather than to instance of the class. This allows the JVM to invoke the main method without creating an instance of the class. Third one is void. This indicates that the method does not return any value. The main method is used for executing the code and it doesn't need to return anything to the JVM. Fourth one is main. This is the name of the method. It's a special method name that the JVM looks for as the entry point of any Java application. Finally, string arguments. This parameter is an array of string object. It allows you to pass command line arguments to the program. In summary, public static void main string argument is the entry point for any standalone Java application where the program execution begins. To wrap up, we have learned the basic of how the Java compilation process transforms the source code into bytecode and how the public static void main method acts as a starting point of your application. If you have any question, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching and keep coding.